Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import Codebook into Dedoose. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, we need to prepare your CSV file. So your CSV should contain, or usually contain, a code name and a description as well. Then from there, we want to go ahead and open up Dedoose. Now, once we've got Dedoose open, we want to click onto Codes. Now, to the right of codes, we've got the option to import codes. So click on import and then find that CSV. I've got one here that I prepared earlier. Now that's going to go ahead and upload. Now from here, I want to click on the submit button. And then you should, once successful, it's going to say success, codes imported, and then go ahead and click on OK. Now it doesn't have to be .csv file, it can be a Microsoft Excel worksheet, which is a .xlsx, sorry.